Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to get Word, Excel, the Office packet for totally free. Now there are two methods. The first one is very easy and the second one is a bit more complex, but well, let's start with the first one. Now the thing that you need to do is open up your laptop or your Windows computer. From there you go to search and here type in Microsoft Store right below apps. Now here the Microsoft Store opens up and all you have to do is type in Office 365. Now here are a load of options to choose from. Here are some ones that are actually that you need to buy, but here is Microsoft 365, which is free. Now all you have to do is simply download it and you can use it just like you use everyday Word tools here to download it. Now let's get to the second method. Now for the second method we're going to open up a new browser like this, and from here we simply search for Office 365. Now the thing that you need is the first link. It's the www.office.com. From here you go to Microsoft 365. Now you simply sign in to your account, and from here let me sign in real quick. Now from here this window will open up. Now as you can see right in the top right here, it's called install applications. Now simply press it and here your browser should process it, and let's wait a couple of seconds. And here you see all the packages that can be installed. Now as you can see, here is the Microsoft 365 standard version. Simply use it, install it, and from there all the Office packs will set up. Now you can use it online and on your computer. Now that's everything. It's very easy. If you have any questions regarding my tutorial, please leave them down in the comments and I will try to do my very best to help you. But most importantly, thank you for watching.